We were watching that.
Yeah, now you're fucking not.
Hey, can I ask you something? Do you not like me or something, man?
Is that what you were going to ask me?
No, I was gonna ask you, what do you do around here for fun?
Is anyone sitting here?
Hey. What you watching, fellas?
Our show.
Welcome back to Houston. The peaceful Shepherd Park Plaza neighborhood is not likely to 3 years ago, a woman living in this house walked into her garage to find a murderer waiting.
Gonna rank up there in the top 20.
We were watching that.
Yeah, now you're fucking not. You want to change that back?
No. I don't.
Right fucking now.